12 health and beauty benefits of soursop leaves and how to use them. Hey everyone, welcome back to MagVivi TV, your home for natural beauty, skincare, and healthy living. Today, I'm bringing you something extraordinary, something nature has given us that most people don't even realize is so powerful. We're talking about soursop leaves. Yes, the same leaves from the soursop fruit tree that produces that sweet, tangy fruit we all love. But here's the truth. The leaves are actually more powerful than the fruit itself. They're packed with natural healing compounds that can transform your health, your skin, your hair, and even your overall well-being. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 12 amazing health and beauty benefits of soursop leaves and how you can use them right from the comfort of your home. Stay with me till the end because I'll also show you exactly how to prepare soursop leaf tea, oil, and even a facial mask. You're going to love this. Segment 1. What are soursop leaves? Let's start with the basics. Soursop leaves come from the soursop tree, also known as graviola or Annona muricata. It's a tropical evergreen tree found in places like Africa, Asia, South America, and the Caribbean. The leaves are dark green, oval-shaped, and filled with powerful compounds like flavonoids, alkaloids, tannins, and something called acetogenins. These natural compounds are what makes soursop leaves so effective. They fight inflammation, kill bacteria, slow down aging, and boost your overall health, all naturally. Now let's dive right into the 12 health and beauty benefits of soursop leaves. 1. Powerful antioxidant protection. Every single day, our bodies are attacked by free radicals, those harmful molecules that cause aging, wrinkles, and diseases. Soursop leaves are rich in antioxidants that fight those free radicals, protecting your cells and keeping your body strong. When you drink soursop leaf tea regularly, it helps your skin glow, keeps your immune system active, and slows down the visible signs of aging. It's like giving your body a daily detox from the inside out. 2. Reduces inflammation and relieves pain. If you often deal with body pain, backache, or swollen joints, listen carefully. Soursop leaves have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve pain naturally. You can drink the tea to ease inflammation, or even soak the leaves in hot water and use the liquid as a compress for sore muscles and joints. It works like nature's own gentle pain reliever, without the side effects of synthetic drugs. 3. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. This is one reason many people love soursop leaves. They can help regulate blood sugar levels naturally. Studies show that soursop leaf extracts help improve how your body uses insulin, keeping your sugar levels in check. If you're diabetic or trying to maintain balanced blood sugar, sipping soursop tea can be a helpful natural addition. But remember, it's not a replacement for your doctor's treatment. It's just a natural support for better control. 4. Supports heart health and blood pressure. High blood pressure and heart problems are so common today. Thankfully, soursop leaves help the heart in several ways. They improve blood circulation, help your body get rid of excess sodium, and relax your blood vessels. All these actions make it easier for your heart to work efficiently, reducing stress, pressure, and fatigue. Drinking soursop leaf tea in moderation can help maintain a healthy heart and blood pressure naturally. 5. Aids digestion and soothes the stomach. Do you often feel bloated or have indigestion after eating? Try soursop leaves. The leaves calm the digestive system, reduce gas, and help relieve stomach pain. Drinking a warm cup of soursop tea after meals can improve digestion and prevent discomfort. It also helps heal stomach ulcers and supports healthy gut bacteria. Your tummy will definitely thank you. 6. Strengthens the immune system. A strong immune system keeps you from falling sick all the time. And soursop leaves are loaded with immune-boosting nutrients. They help your white blood cells fight off bacteria, viruses, and infections. So if you're someone who easily catches a cold or flu, try drinking soursop leaf tea a few times a week. It helps your body defend itself naturally, the way nature intended. 7. Clears acne and improves skin appearance. Now let's talk beauty. Soursop leaves are a miracle for the skin, especially if you struggle with acne, pimples, or dark spots. The antibacterial properties fight acne-causing bacteria, while the anti-inflammatory effects calm irritation. You can grind the leaves into a paste, mix them with a little honey or aloe vera, and apply it to your face. It helps reduce pimples, fade scars, and even out your skin tone. leaving you with a smoother, clearer, brighter face. 8. Slows down aging and reduces wrinkles. Who doesn't want to look younger for longer? Soursop leaves are rich in antioxidants that fight the free radicals responsible for premature aging. They help boost collagen production, tighten the skin, and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Whether you drink the tea or use the leaves in a face mask, your skin will look firmer, fresher, and younger. It's nature's anti-aging secret. 9. Moisturizes and soothes dry or irritated skin. If you suffer from dry, flaky, or itchy skin, soursop leaves can help too. They contain natural compounds that hydrate and soothe the skin. You can infuse the leaves into coconut or olive oil and use the oil as a moisturizer. It deeply nourishes the skin, keeps it soft, glowing, and helps repair any damage caused by sun or harsh weather. Strengthens hair and fights dandruff. Beautiful hair starts with a healthy scalp. Soursop leaves have antifungal and antibacterial powers that help fight dandruff and scalp irritation. Here's how you can use it. Boil a few leaves in water, let it cool, and use the water as a hair rinse after shampooing. It helps remove dandruff, reduces itching, and strengthens your hair roots, making your hair grow stronger and shinier. 11. Promotes relaxation and better sleep. If you're struggling with stress, anxiety, or sleepless nights, soursop leaf tea can be your best friend. It has mild sedative effects that calm the nerves, reduce anxiety, and promote deep, peaceful sleep. Drink a warm cup before bedtime, and you'll notice how relaxed and light you feel. It's a natural way to unwind after a stressful day. 12. May have anti-cancer properties. Now, this is one of the most discussed benefits of soursop leaves. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in soursop leaves, called acetogenins, can help stop the growth of cancer cells. However, it's very important to say this clearly. Soursop leaves are not a cure for cancer. Research is still ongoing. You can use it as a natural support for general wellness, but never replace your medical treatment with it. Always talk to your doctor first. Segment 2, How to use soursop leaves. Now that you know the benefits, let's talk about how to use soursop leaves in simple, practical ways. 1. Soursop leaf tea. This is the most common method. Take about 4 to 6 leaves, wash them well, and boil in 1 liter of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow it to cool, strain it, and drink 1 cup in the morning and another in the evening. You can sweeten it with honey or add lemon if you like. This tea helps with digestion, immunity, and body detox. 2. Soursop leaf paste for skin. Grind a few fresh leaves into a smooth paste. Mix it with honey, aloe vera gel, or yogurt. Apply the paste on your face and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off. It fights acne, fades dark spots, and brightens your skin naturally. 3. Hair rinse. Boil a few leaves in water for 15 minutes, allow it to cool, then pour it over your scalp after shampooing. Massage gently and leave it for a few minutes before rinsing. This strengthens the hair, stops dandruff, and promotes healthy growth. 4. Soursop leaf oil. Put some dried or fresh leaves in a jar and cover with coconut or olive oil. Leave it under sunlight for 5 to 7 days, then strain. This oil can be used as a skin moisturizer or hair treatment. It nourishes, softens, and restores your natural glow. 5. Bath soak. Add boiled soursop leaf water into your bath. This detoxifies the body, relieves muscle pain, and calms inflammation. Perfect for when you need a spa moment at home. 6. Steam inhalation for stress relief. Boil soursop leaves in a pot, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam. This helps relieve stress, clear your sinuses, and calm your mind. Segment 3, Important precautions. Before you start using soursop leaves, here are a few important warnings. Don't overuse them. Too much can affect the nervous system because of a compound called inonosin. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid it. It can cause uterine contractions. If you're diabetic or have low blood pressure, talk to your doctor first. Always do a patch test before applying it to your skin. And remember, soursop leaves should support your wellness, not replace your medicine. Moderation is the key. Conclusion. Soursop leaves are truly one of nature's hidden treasures. Simple, natural, and incredibly powerful. Soursop leaves are truly one of nature's hidden treasures. Simple, natural, and incredibly powerful. They help your body heal, your skin glow, your hair grow, and your mind relax. And the best part? You don't need anything complicated. Just a few leaves can make a world of difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to MacVivi TV, and share it with someone who loves natural health and beauty remedies. Tell me in the comments, which of these soursop leaf benefits surprised you the most? And are you going to try the tea or the face mask first? Until next time, remember, beauty starts from within, and nature always has the best answers. Stay beautiful, stay healthy, and keep glowing, naturally.